Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we'll be doing a barbecue lamb skewer cooked with authentic traditional Chinese flavor. So first we'll be preparing the spices. This will be for the marinade and for when the skewers are cooking. Be very careful not to overcook or burn the spices. For the meat, I use lamb shoulder due to its tenderness, taste, and abundance of fatty bits inside, helping it cook. But you can use any cut of lamb. Now for the marinade. This method, shown in the video, is the best way to prepare the marinade. Be careful not to add more spices than what is listed, as it may adversely affect the taste. Took you out and showed you the city. How'd you let somebody so pretty? Is what they said to me. Yeah, that's what they said to me. Well, they told me I didn't stand a chance, yeah. Face value, had you at a glance, yeah. But nobody ever asked if you could dance, yeah. Well, only one who did that was somebody like me. When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. When done, let sit in fridge for at least 2 hours, or overnight. Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from out of sight, thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right, ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light, so damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd... Personally, I really love corn, so I'll be throwing these on the grill as well. Slather them with butter and top off with a bit of seasoning to taste. Once one side has been browned, flip over and add the seasoning. It's important to add the seasoning only after it has been browned and not while raw. Took you out and showed you the city. How'd you let somebody so pretty? Is what they said to me. Yeah, that's what they said to me. Well, they told me I didn't stand a chance, yeah. Spritzing the meat with oil will make it juicier and more succulent. Well, only one who did that was somebody like me. Now we add seasoning one final time and it's ready to serve. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to be notified for more recipes just like this one.